Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Ramadan Kareem to all of you, the brother sister who are celebrating Ramadan around the globe. I'm going to show you what you take in your breakfast suhoor time. In suhoor time, you want to get all you can eat buffet, right? You try to get all the nutrients and minerals and fiber, protein, fat that you need throughout the day, instead of having all you can eat buffet, right? You can have like a biryani, samosa, we can have like a huge, kurma, you can have like a huge meal. But remember, if you think about for your whole day nutrients, how you can eat less, digest well, nutrify your body more, survive your day as a healthy, happy, and you have enough energy to pray, to reach the highest level of iman, to talk to Allah, um, to do your best prayer. Because Ramadan came to pray, to recite Quran, to help others with a donation, improve spiritually, stopping the bad things, staying from the even good things. A lot of things you cannot do in the daytime. You cannot even eat in the daytime. Eating is halal, right? So you're fasting. You have to get ready for fasting. First meal in the morning before Fajr prayer, you eat, right? So what do you eat? You don't want to eat like food that's only fill your stomach, not nutrients. Very first, you start with a fiber and have some acid on it. Get apple cider vinegar. So so chia seed and psyllium husk together make a good fiber. Chia seed have good protein too. Would have good fat a little bit too, fatty acid too. So all it comes with a add some salt, pink salt. So pink salt with the apple cider vinegar, with a chia seed and psyllium husk. All together is a great thing for you for throughout the day. Have a good fiber, calming your stomach. And then you want to eat more, get some yogurt, more good bacteria. Yogurt you can do also kimchi, sauerkraut, kombucha. Those are very powerful probiotic too. So tummy gonna be more happy. And then if you want to eat some eggs, you can have. If you have some inflammation and then digestive issue or kidney issue, don't eat the white part. Eat only fat part. But you're already having digestion support, so you can digest your fat part very well. You can have some dates. Dates have everything: fiber, mineral, fat, you can say grain, you can have a protein, everything have in the dates. Dates is very good thing. So you don't get anything, actually get some dates and water, right? And then have some fruits, have some fruits, apple, banana, you can get some berries, raspberry, blackberry, you know. So that's how you're supposed to be. When you're eating a fat, make sure have some, good oil, mustard oil or olive oil if you get pure one, and coconut oil, of course, you can get some ghee. So one fat will help other fat to digest and absorb, okay? So, but if you have diabetes, you don't go to rice and wheat. You don't go to fruits either. If you have a kidney issue, don't go to the albumin part of the egg, and um, make sure when you wake up very early for suhoor, get some baking soda to alkaline your tummy, and then pray tahajjud. Get ready for the suhoor. And come to suhoor, it's like amazing but simple, but easy, but nutritious, and that will help you wonderful day, inshallah. Jazakumullah khair. Ramadan Kareem to all of you. I mean, for all of you for best Ramadan with ibadah, with the prayer, with the reciting Quran, sadaqah, and donation, and then spirituality, having khushu in the salah, taqwa, that is in Allah prescribed our Ramadan for. Get in taqwa, right? Anyway, make dua for me so I can bring my all my healthy guideline and different disease that I step by step explain. And you take care, all of you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.